Took a beautiful Chevy Sonic, modified it to make it a full-fledged stunt machine. I think there's probably not a better handling car. It handles beautifully. I did get an email from my mom, like saying I'm praying for you, and please let me know, and I hope you don't want to do this much longer. And everybody knows that when I make my mind up to something, nobody's talking me out of anything.
Crazy. We were so nervous that he wasn't going to make it, but we knew he could do it.
It's the purest concept of I can't believe I'm driving away right now.
We chose Rob Dyrdek to do this stunt. First of all, because he's out there trying new things, and the whole campaign of the Sonic is about doing first. This is his idea to do the kickflip as a first. The guy's got a huge following, he's got passionate fans. He's the type of guy that really connects with our drivers, and so we thought he was a perfect fit for this.
God bless America, and God bless Chevy.